Hello guys, welcome back to Coding Theory Guru. Today we are going to learn about the spiral model in software engineering. Okay. Introduction. The spiral model is a risk-driven software development model. It combines elements of both the waterfall model and iterative development, emphasizing repeated refinement through iterations called spirals. See, this model is special because it focuses on risk management and iterative development, so making it ideal for complex and high risk projects. So, in simple words, the spiral model helps you to build software step by step while constantly checking for mistakes and improving it based on feedback. Okay. It's designed for large, complex, and high risk projects where requirements are unclear or likely to change. Okay, see, the spiral model is a risk driven software development model. This means that in every step of development, we identify risk first, then, like technical difficulties, cost issues, or unclear requirements, and plan to reduce them. So, it is a combination of iterative development and structured stages, like in the waterfall model, which makes it flexible and safe. Okay, think of it like a circle that goes round and round. Okay, each loop is a mini project that makes you software better. Okay. Key idea. In the spiral model, development proceeds in repeated cycles. Each spiral is like a mini project that includes planning, risk analysis, development, and evaluation. With every spiral, the software grows incrementally, improving based on feedback and risk assessment. Think of it as iteratively circling towards the final product. Each loop makes the system closer to perfection. See, key idea. In the spiral model, development happens in repeated cycles called spirals. Okay. Each spirals includes four main activities. First is planning, then risk analysis, development, testing, and evaluation. Okay. After after each spiral, the software becomes more complete and closer to the final version. So basically it's like circling towards perfection, improving the software step by step. Okay. Like unlike waterfall, you don't do everything once. You go in small loops, learn from mistakes, and improve each time. Then phases of spiral model. Each spiral contains four main phases. Planning phase. Gather requirements for the current spiral, identify objectives and constraints, define the scope of this iteration. See, first is planning phase. Here we gather requirements for this iteration. We define objectives, then decide what features to include and set the scope. Like, think of it as making a mini plan before starting each loop. Okay. Second is risk analysis phase. Identify potential risk, technical, financial, operational. Analyze and develop strategies to reduce or manage risk. This phase is the core strength of the spiral model. Second is risk analysis phase. See, identify potential risk like technical challenges, cost overruns, or unclear requirements. Okay. Develop strategies to reduce or manage this risk. See, this is the unique part of the spiral model. You focus on problems before they happen. Third is engineering phase, development and testing. Okay, develop the software based on the defined requirements, perform testing to ensure correctness and quality. See, actually build the software for this iteration, then perform testing to ensure it works correctly. This is this is where coding and initial testing happen, just like building a mini version. Okay, then fourth is evaluation phase, customer evaluation. Present the developed version to the customer or stakeholders, gather feedback and adjust plans for the next spiral. See, present this iteration to users or stakeholders, collect their feedback and make improvements in the next spiral. Like you show your work, learn from feedback, and refine the software in the next loop. Okay, after finishing one spiral, you start the next spiral with updated planning and improve the design, repeating until the final system is complete. Okay, advantages of spiral model: risk reduction, focuses on identifying and resolving risk early. Then flexibility, changes in requirements can be handled in each new spiral. User feedback, frequent evaluation ensures the product meets user expectations. Iterative improvement, each loop refines the software incrementally. Suitable for complex projects, ideal for large systems where risk management is crucial. See, advantages of spiral model. First is risk reduction. Problems are found early and avoided. Then flexibility. Requirements can change in every spiral. Then user feedback. Frequent evaluations ensures the software meets real needs. Then iterative improvement. Each loop improves the software gradually. Then last one is ideal for complex project. Perfect for large high risk projects. It's like playing a video game level by level. Each level helps you to fix mistakes and get better. Now, disadvantages of spiral model: complex and expensive, requires high expertise and cost due to repeated risk analysis. Time consuming, iterations and evaluations take longer than simpler models. Not ideal for small projects. Overhead is too high for small simple projects. Requires customer involvement. Regular feedback is essential, otherwise iteration may fail to meet real requirements. See, first is complex and expensive. Requires more planning, expertise and cost. Okay. Then time consuming. Multiple spiral take longer than simple models. Then not suitable for small projects. Overkill for small systems. Then last is requires customer involvement. Without feedback, the spiral loses effectiveness. Okay. You need commitment from both the team and users for it to work properly. Okay. Conclusion: the spiral model is perfect when you have complex or large scale projects, high risk that needs careful management, evolving requirements where customer feedback is crucial. It's like a safety first iterative approach that lets you develop software in control loops, refining it gradually while minimizing risk. See, to sum up all this, the spiral model is perfect for projects with high risk, okay, large and complex systems, situations where requirements are unclear or evolving, and it's a safe, iterative, and feedback driven approach. Like you keep building, testing, and improving the software step by step until it's fully ready. Okay, thank you.